Assalamu alaikum and Ramadan Kareem to everyone. I hope this month is a blessed one for you all, and hoping, praying this world pandemic end soon, inshallah. So for the recipe today, I'll be making everyone's favorite pakoras. I'll be using a very basic ingredients for this. Just the regular potatoes, spinach, onion, and of course the ground flour, which is basin, and just the basic spices. I'll be using a couple of whole spices, which is like pomegranate seeds and coriander seeds. And also I didn't have fenugreek, dry fenugreek at home, so I had this vegetable masala which had fenugreek in it. So I thought, okay, maybe I'll add a couple of tablespoons and see what happens. So very glad I did, because it gave pakoras a very nice color, like a golden color. And it just the taste was really, like, it was different than my usual pakoras. So it was, I'm glad I did, and I think I'm from in the future I'll be adding the spice to my pakoras as well. So here I'm just going to mix all the dry ingredients and coat all the vegetables with it. Not add any water at this point, because I didn't have to make it right away. I'm just gonna set it aside and let the moisture from the vegetables bind the mixture together. And so once I was ready to fry it, I added about a half a cup of water just to make the batter a little bit smoother. So when I actually it's just easier when I was putting it in the oil, and also it doesn't make the pakoras very firm. They're crispy, but they don't get too firm, like if I add the water right before. So there, I'm just going to test the oil temperature, which is ready now because it's bubbling, and you can see the batter is rising to the top. And I need to use a large and a deep wok or a pan for this. Don't make it in a very flat pan, because it doesn't give the pakoras to rise as much, I guess you can say. So there, I'm just gonna fry them each side for 2 to 3 minutes to cook the potatoes properly. The spinach and the onion will cook quickly, but the potatoes need a little bit extra time. Also, if the oil is too hot, it would burn the outside and leave the inside raw. So and trust me, that's not a good taste. You don't want to taste the raw ground flour. It's and then there, it's ready. I'm just going to place it on a towel paper and enjoy with your favorite dip or chutney or sauce, even ketchup. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel.